Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can install this beautiful LED energy notch charging indicator around your notch. So this can be installed on any Android device with a notch on top. So first go to Play Store, then search for energy notch. So once you do that, there will be this app by IGP. So click on install. Once you have done that, click on open and you can skip everything for now. So after that, just click on right top on this on slider and you will be taken to accessibility settings. Just click on energy notch from here and just click on this on slider and click on allow. So once you do that, you can see a small notch. You can see a small LED indicator on top of my screen around the notch. So once it's enabled, go back and go back again to energy notch. So here there is various customization options, like you can increase the notch size, which will eventually increase the LED indicator around your notch. So I prefer it on 7 as it looks good. Then you can align it in center if you want. So if your battery is low, half of the notch will be filled and half will be empty. So we'll go for left. As you can see, my battery is currently 79%. So notch is only covered this much. But if your battery is 100%, it will cover the whole area. So, and if your energy battery will be less than 10% or something, it will cover only the 10% of the area. So you can align it anywhere you want, right, center or left, whichever you like. And you can also enable it on lock screen. Just click on once and click on allow on over other apps and just go back again and click on show on lock screen. So it will show on your lock screen as well. You can even change the animation of your LED indicator, like acceleration. It will animate the top notch. You can go for another animation as well. As you can see, there's various animation options. So you can go for various color configuration as well, but some of them require the pro version of the app, which I don't currently have, and you can use it if you want. You can just click on that and click on unlock, and you can do a small donation of small to big of 170 to 1600, so that all the options will be enabled on your device. So that's the reason I told this app is free, because I'm not using the pro version as well. So you can change the color of the LED as well. So if I choose everything red over here and click on new color, you will see the indicator will change its color. As you can see, the indicator turn to red, and if I will do everything, so it will be turned to dark red. So that's not it. If you will connect your charger on your device, you will see that animation has been turned on for charging. I'll bring my phone closer. As you can see, it's rotating now, but if you will remove the charger, the animation will be stopped. It will be static, but then you will again plug your charger, then the LED will start to animate again, and it will work on your lock screen as well, as I enabled it. So I will lock my phone device and turn on the lock, as you can see. So this is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider dropping a like, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I will bring more and more videos on Android. So that's it for this video. Crotlin signing out.